With over a decade of experience in the music industry, I've seen pretty much everything, right? Today, I'm going to be diving into the top 5 mistakes that most musicians make when building a music career. So buckle up and let's jump right in. Now, mistake number 1 is not knowing your artist identity. I think one of the most important aspects of building a successful music career is knowing who you are as an artist. Whether you're a country artist, rock band, hip hop, pop, it doesn't matter what genre, it's crucial to establish a clear brand identity. This can truly make or break your music career. So take some time, sit down, get introspective, and figure out what makes you unique. Ask yourself, what's my story? What message do I want to convey through my music? Remember, being authentic and true to yourself is key. You're not going to find real success and happiness trying to be somebody else. In today's music industry, standing out is more important than ever before. Mistake number 2, overlooking social media. Social media, whether you like it or not, has become an essential tool for musicians to really connect with their fans and grow their brand. I know.
I hate social media.
Social media is the devil.
Even if you're not a huge fan, you simply can't ignore its power. Connecting with fans and building your online presence is crucial in today's digital age. Make sure to post regularly, engage with your followers, and showcase your personality. Share behind-the-scenes moments, clips of you working on new music, or even a snippet of your personal life. But don't forget, repetition increases quality. Don't think you have to be perfect to get started, but also don't be lazy on what you're posting. Nobody wants to see a blurry photo of your Domino's loaded tots. Side note, not a sponsor, but they could be. Mistake number 3, failing to network. The music industry thrives on connections. Don't be shy. Talk to people when they're busking in between songs. Attend local open mics, collaborate with other musicians, and engage with your local music scene. Networking is one of the most effective ways to level up your career. You never know who you're going to meet. The right person might help you move forward in the industry. So be proactive and start making those connections. Remember, in a lot of ways, your network is your net worth. So invest time building relationships and you'll see your music career level up. I can promise you that. Mistake number 4, setting unrealistic goals. Dreaming big is fantastic, but it's also crucial to set achievable goals. Break your dreams into smaller, manageable steps, release dates, growing your fan base, all that good stuff. By setting realistic goals, you can maintain your motivation and momentum. Remember, success takes time, patience, and consistency. So focus on moving forward step by step. Celebrate those small victories. Don't get discouraged by some setbacks. Keep pushing, and over time, you're going to watch those dreams become your reality. Hey, Chico, can I get a drum roll?
That's your drum roll?
When a tempo isn't specified, any reasonable person would default to lento.
Mistake number 5, undervaluing your music. Last but not least, you got to know your worth. Your music is art, but it's also worth something. Don't be afraid to charge for your work, your album sales, streaming, obviously, and live shows. It's not always easy, but with hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion into a career. Research pricing strategies, understand the value of your music in a business sense, and build a sustainable business model. Remember, you're not only a musician, but you're also an entrepreneur, so you got to treat your career as a business. Now, if you're afraid of becoming a sellout, you most likely are super insecure with yourself and your relationship with money. I say that because that mindset is super unhealthy and holds way too many people back. So think of your music career as a business, or just embrace that it's a hobby. You can't have it both ways. Now, number 6, I'm just kidding. There you have it. Top 5 music career mistakes. But let me know in the comments below if you think that I missed any that you would have included on that list. Don't let these easily avoidable mistakes hold you back. You got to learn from them and create your own path to success. Remember, the world is waiting for your unique sound and personality, and don't be afraid to go out there and make it happen. Guys, if you want a little bit more guidance, this video is going to help you move forward faster. Click that little subscribe button to join the channel family here. I'd love to connect and build a community. I'm active over on TikTok and Instagram, so I'd love to see you over there. And until next time, I appreciate you watching.